To get the best possible view of the heavens, we've taken telescopes higher and higher, to the tops of mountains, high above atmospheric and light pollution, or better still, into space. But there are still things to be discovered closer to home. At first glance, this might not seem like the best site for a telescope. It's very near sea level and it's surrounded by streetlights. But they have observed something remarkable here. This is the James Gregory Telescope, the largest operational optical telescope in Scotland at St Andrews University Observatory. And this is the star they've been gazing at, RW Auriga, in the constellation of the Charioteer. It's like our own sun, but a lot younger.
Well, our sun is 4.5 billion years old, and this star is only 1 or 2 million years old. So it's really a star in its infancy, a baby star.
RW Auriga is known for its variable brightness. Recently it dimmed, brightened again, and then vanished for 2 years.
The star we're looking at is this one, and if you just compare the brightness with these two, that's roughly the same brightness. Now, over the past 2 years, and this is an image taken with the telescope upstairs, this is the same star, and you can see that now it has become much, much fainter than everything else.
The probable reason? A disk of stardust blocking our view, and that means we're having to change our view of how planets are born.
For many years, we have thought that planets form very slowly and very steadily in these environments. It's dust particles just stick together and grow and grow. It's kind of like watching dust settling, which is kind of boring. But now, looking at this, we actually find out that these are actually very, very dynamic processes, very violent things happening in these systems, which we were not expecting to see before.
They are in motion. They are changing on timescales that are comparable to our human lifespans. We can basically watch them evolving in time.
We may be getting a glimpse in real time of how our home planet came into being.
Who wouldn't know what our solar system looked like when it was young? And because we can't actually go back in time, or we can't actually go to these systems, the best we can do is look at other stars at that age and try to figure out what's going on there. Perhaps that's what happened with us.
The James Gregory Telescope is more than 50 years old, but it's proving it can still expand our knowledge of the universe. Kenneth MacDonald, reporting Scotland, St Andrews.